In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone overheating after a software update. This is a pretty common issue and you don't have to worry that much. So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and force restart your phone, press and quickly release the volume up and then the volume down button and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears to clear temporary files. Then also head into your settings and then head into your general right over here and then look for background app refresh. And then turn that off. So right over here, as you can see, there are a couple of applications that you can turn it off from. There are a lot of applications that you might not want it to do that. Also try to update the applications that have been outdated by heading into your app store and then checking individually if any application has any updates. And that is about it. If none of those fix it, then try to reset all settings by simply heading into your general and then heading into and then scrolling all the way down into transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset and then reset all settings just like that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.